Good.
You gotta pan over and get the
You're good.
waterfall in there too. Here we are at Tom's waterfall here. We installed it August 2011. We're actually going to be reinstalling the same feature at his new location. So we're going to take it all down today and put it up. Let me get it right there. This here is about a 7-foot high waterfall. We use a lot of Canadian buff stone in it. About a 7.5-foot high waterfall total. And we're going to take it down and reinstall it. So this is the before, and we'll see if we can duplicate what we're doing for the second dose here. All right, Mike. That's good.